How to make money with expired domain. As you can see here, persons are making crazy money flipping domains. Imagine paying $10 for a domain like this, and then you can see persons are bidding up to $1,000 to purchase your domain. Why is this though? These are expired domains. And expired domains are domains that persons purchase and did not renew the plan. As when you purchase a domain name, whether that be from Namecheap or GoDaddy or any one of the names above, you'll get 1 year plan with your domain. So some persons either forget to renew their plan or they just give up on it, whether their website wasn't successful or anything like that. The beauty about getting an expired domain now is when you purchase an expired domain, you don't have to go through the sandbox period with Google and your new website. As with the domain, it has ranking and it has authority in the eyes of Google. Because if you were to create a new website today and purchase a domain name that you make, for example, simpleanswers.com, you would have to go through the sandbox period, which normally lasts up to 6 months and can go up to a year. But if you purchase an expired domain, you skip that entire line and you'll start ranking high in Google right away. So that's why persons are willing to pay so much money for an expired domain. Now, how will you be able to make money with all of this? The first website that you will need to visit is expireddomains.net. With expireddomains.net, this is basically a website that catalogs all of the expired domains on the web. So you can simply tap right here in the search bar and you can search for a particular name if you have one that you have in mind that you think would probably work out, or you could simply tap on expired domains right here and you'll see a list, as you can see here, of different expired domains. And you can scroll down and you can see the estimated backlinks right here. And this is a very important metric right here, the backlinks, as this will shows the authority that it has in Google eyes. And the more backlinks a website tend to have is the more expensive that domain will be. And also the name is very important. As you can see right here, a name by the name of connectviagra.com. This will definitely be a very expensive one. And when it comes to domains, I would recommend that you stick to the ones that have the .com, as those tend to be more expensive and they will be easier to sell. So you'll go on expire.net and you'll scroll through until you see some domains that you like. Once you have found some domains that you like, you're going to go onto Namecheap. And from here, for example, I'd paste in one right here. You can see it right here. You can tap on make an offer. And once you have tapped on make an offer, Namecheap will be the broker. So you'll simply see that this domain, the minimum amount they are expecting for it is $199. There are a lot of them that you can get for way cheaper. You just have to go through expireddomains.net and do the search and the research. And let's say, for example, I purchased this domain for $199. I can use the same platform on Namecheap to flip that domain and do, as you can see right here, create an auction, and I can make 10 times that or even more. As you can see from the example right here, that persons are making crazy money flipping domains. Look at this right here. Persons are bidding as much as $1,500 for this domain name. It all depends on the domain name and also the amount of backlink, because this is a very catchy and a very unique domain name, apphub.io. And you can also see right here, if I were to go on dyna.com, this is an expired domain auction. And if I were to scroll down, you can see that persons are selling domain names for up to $41,000. And believe me, they are making money. They are getting sales for them. And you can see right here, this person is selling his domain name for $17,000. If this sounds good to you, I would recommend that you go on to Expire Domain and start doing your research. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.